Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shannon and today we are doing another holiday inspired nail haul from SHEIN. This one is really good. I think the charms that I got are just so beautiful and such great quality. And I got some really beautiful stickers as well that I'm excited to show you. So let's just dive right in. So the very first item is some stickers. These ones are just like I purchased to make doing nail art on my own hand easier. So I pictured doing this Noel nail art look where I use the stickers and then paint the Noel myself over top. And I just thought this would look so good. This was, I think, the only flop in the whole purchase. I definitely think I was ordering some snowflake, like those snowflake ones. And I don't think this is actually what I thought I was ordering. I'll have to go back and take a look later and see what it is that I thought I was ordering. But I'm sure I can make use of those snowflakes anyways. Next, we have these beautiful bows, ribbons. They are silver and gold. Again, really good quality. You'll see in just a second. They're just really good quality. This is what I was thinking when I bought them. I wanted to do that wrapping gift look and do a mix of paint and the charm, and I just thought it would look so cute. Next, we have some nail stickers that are pink and white and kind of like holographic. These are so beautiful in real life. I can't wait to use them to do some pink and white and very like elegant but girly nail art. Again, with these stickers, I get them largely with the intention of doing art on my own hand. So this is what inspired purchasing the stickers was nails like this. But yeah, I bought the stickers because I think it'll be easier to do art on my own hands. These are just super cute charms. I got these more thinking of doing my daughter's nails or I don't know, maybe like a junk nail kind of look. But again, these were actually quite good quality. I love the cute little characters because sometimes I've gotten like nail charms in the past where the characters look a little wonky. These ones did not look wonky. They looked adorable. Very, very excited to use, especially that little snowman. I can't wait to do a little set of nails for my daughter using the snowman and like the mitten. And oh yeah, I forgot about the Christmas tree. And there's a Santa one as well that I just had a hard time getting at. So I don't know if I show it really well, but these charms are super, super cute. 10 out of 10, recommend them. So yeah, there's the Santa right there that you can kind of see. Again, just well done. For how like cheap they are, it's really nice to get things that are decent quality. These are so pretty. So these are some gold wreaths with little clear gemstones, I think. But this was kind of the nail look that inspired purchasing. I want to just do some gold, some rose gold, some blush pink looks, and I thought these wreaths would be perfect to help pull off that kind of look. These stickers I might be the most excited about. These are neon inspired holiday stickers. I've seen a lot of people doing that kind of neon nail look, kind of like the one that I have here up on the screen. I just can't wait. I can't wait to do a matte black, bust out these neon stickers, and have a really cool holiday look. Then I got some glitter. This is just so pretty. It's so sparkly. I can't even begin to tell you how sparkly it is. What I was thinking when I purchased this was doing a nail where like that Christmas ornament where I use the glitter on top to kind of make the ornament pop, or to do a full glitter nail like what you see here, like a chunky glitter nail. I'm very excited to use this to create those kind of looks. That green, oh my gosh, the green just gets me every time. These are more of an elegant gold sticker. I'll show you what inspired these in just a moment. So this nail with the kind of beige neutral look, or maybe a white underneath, and then the just elegant gold sticker. I found this, one nail with the dark green and the gold, and I was like doing that. I just think that looks so elegant. So excited to use those. Then these are just, again, another kind of cutesy charm I got with my daughter in mind, but also with more of a traditional classic spin. So I was thinking of like these plaid nails, or doing like a red and plaid inspired nail, and using these bows to, again, make the look pop a little bit. This was another plaid inspired nail that kind of inspired the look, but I would do more green. Next, we have these really nice blue snowflake stickers. So when I've been planning my December and January nail art, I do have a lot of blue nail inspired looks like this one here. I just love that kind of like Jack Frost kind of vibe. I love also too this like gold and blue look. I'm going to be doing maybe one or two of those, like a gold and blue look. This again to me is another like Jack Frost kind of look, where I plan on using these blue snowflakes. They're so pretty. A couple more charms. These were pretty similar to the first package actually. There's just a couple that are different, but again, really cute designs. Oh, and they're a little bit bigger. I think you can tell the charms are just slightly bigger than the other ones. The snowmen are just slightly bigger. The Santas are just slightly bigger. There's a stocking, super cute, that wasn't in the other one. And there's this adorable little, there's the stocking. Super cute. Good size, good quality. And then the next one that I'm showing is this, like, I don't know if it's supposed to be like a cabin or like Santa's cottage or whatever it is, but it's really cute. I really like this. So I will use those charms, again, maybe on a plaid nail kind of look. Then I got some white snowflakes. These are, again, just are so that I don't have to do snowflakes on myself very often, because that's just a lot of work. So these were just very, very gorgeous snowflakes. I want to do, again, like this red snowflake look is what inspired purchasing these. There was a second package as well that had just slightly different stickers. And again, I just want to do kind of a very elegant, classic snowflake look with these. I think it would just look really cute. Ooh, this one too. I really liked this snail look that I found. Yeah, it's so pretty. Next, we have some silver beads and some white gemstones. I got these to enhance the snowflake looks, to build those like wreaths with the silver balls, to create Christmas trees, just to really, I don't know, give a little bit of touch of elegance to any nail design look. I think the silver balls especially. Silver caviar beads. There we go. Balls. Beads. Silver beads. Anyways, oh my gosh, rambled there. Next, I'm really excited to use this. This is some polish in a color series that I just haven't purchased or used yet. as you can see, I got a series of browns on the warmer end too, which I like because that just looks best against my skin tone personally. That's why I chose warm browns. But I plan on doing sweater nails like what you see here. I've never done sweater nails before, but I just had this idea of like cozy brown sweater nails kind of for November. And then the other look was some gingerbread nails. And I especially really like this kind of gingerbread brown and pink look. I think that will just look so cute. And then I also saw this like figgy pudding, is that what we call that? Nail look. And I was like, I could definitely do that look with this color palette. Very, very excited. This is that like textured, it's not even really glitter, but it's like, it's made to look like snow. And so I just envisioned doing this like look with the snowflakes and then creating more of like a textured snow at points. Like this is kind of an example where you can see like the textured snow on the nails. I want to use this to create that textured snow look. You can kind of get a better look for how it actually looks when I pull the cap more into view. See how it's a little like grainy? Anyways, super excited to use that. These, oh, I got these in red and gold and green in the last haul, and I just love them so much that I had to get them in the other colors, which is, again, like kind of, these are actually, I can't really tell if they're more of like a bronze or like a pinky bronze, but again, I want to do like that Christmas tree that you see there and create like a Christmas tree out of those beads. These are just another really cute, classic holiday Christmas vibe with these gifts. They're a really nice sized charm as well and had like some solid, like a little bit of weight to them, which is, I like a, I don't know, it feels like quality is all I can say for how cheap they are. Again, super into plaid. That's what I'm realizing recording this is super into plaid. But that plaid nail I showed you earlier, but I could envision using this kind of charm on that same kind of nail design. These are so cute. They're reindeer charms. I just had to get them. I think I'm going to use them on a plaid, but more of a green, and pull the green from the antlers. So instead of the candy cane nail that you see there, adding like the charm, I think that would look really cute. Okay, so this is hilarious. I ordered these without really looking at how many were coming in the package. I just thought they were beautiful, and they are beautiful. They're like these I was kind of thinking like a starry Christmas night kind of vibe. But there is literally only two. Like, and again, I checked. There was, in fact, only supposed to be two pieces. But I didn't realize when I was ordering it that I had literally only ordered two charms. But they are so pretty, so I'll have to think of something really special for them. But I was thinking, yeah, like Christmas night, maybe Santa sleigh type thing. This is another polish. And again, I was thinking of the December, January when I got these blue polishes. That blue is so vibrant. I'm so pumped. So yeah, now picture this blue with those blue snowflakes. Like just some gorgeous, gorgeous nails will come out of this. And then I got one other shade of blue to just pull it together because, again, this is more of a darker, closer to a darker blue. I didn't want to get navy. I'm not really into that, but like I know the dark blue nails are like going to be pretty trendy over the next couple months. And then these really simple, again, Christmas trees. Simple, but you know what I mean. But just traditional. I just thought of a classic nail would look really cute with these, like a red and green nail, and putting these in with another like gold element I think would look really pretty. And then these ones are my like favorite Christmas tree charms that I think I've gotten to date. They are so pretty and just, like I said, excellent, excellent quality. Like, I don't know if I lucked out or if like the Christmas charms on Shein just are great quality, but I want to do this like red and green and like deep red nail look and have these nail charms on those nails, and I think it would look fire. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Can't wait. Bring on the holiday nails. Am I right? Actually, as soon as I'm done doing this voiceover, I'm absolutely going to practice doing sweater nails, I think, before I do like a video. But this is my second holiday inspired Shein nail haul. There are so many excellent goodies. Like, I think the only flop were those early snowflake stickers that I feel like I definitely thought I was ordering something else, but everything else is incredible. I'm so excited. Tell me, which one is your favorite? What did you like best? What do you want to go on Shein and grab for yourself? How would you use them? And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.